Imagine this: you're staring at an inbox with 500 unread emails, each one a ticking time bomb of potential lost revenue. You've got a team, but they're drowning. You've got tools, but they're scattered. You've got AI, but it's not doing what you were promised. This isn't a tech problem, it's a system failure, and it's costing you big time. Welcome to today's episode, where we're cutting through the noise and getting to the brutal truth about AI and automation in real businesses. Not the shiny demo version, but the messy real world version where systems either make or break your operations. Let's talk about the 42-hour customer response nightmare. It's not just a story, it's a symptom of a deeper issue. Here's the reality: AI isn't a tool you can just plug in and walk away from. It's infrastructure. It's the backbone that, when properly integrated, can transform chaos into clarity. But here's where most operators get it wrong: they treat it like a shortcut, not a foundation. Automation isn't about convenience, it's about leverage. It's not there to make your life easier, it's there to amplify what you're already doing right and expose what you're doing wrong. Let's dive into the first truth. Systems are supposed to remove human dependency, not create it. Yet, how many businesses are still relying on manual processes because their systems are half baked? The problem isn't the lack of tools, it's the lack of integration. You've got AI handling customer queries, but if it's not talking to your CRM, your team, or your decision making processes, it's just noise. Consider this: a client of mine had invested heavily in an AI driven customer service platform. On paper, it looked perfect. In practice, it was a disaster. Why? Because the AI was isolated. It wasn't integrated with their sales data, their customer history, or even their inventory management. It was answering questions in a vacuum. The result? Frustrated customers and missed opportunities. The second truth is about understanding failure modes. Every system has a breaking point. The question isn't if it will fail, but when and how. Operators often overlook this because they're enamored with potential rather than prepared for reality. A well-designed system anticipates failure and has contingencies in place. It's not about avoiding mistakes, it's about minimizing their impact. Let's talk about the hidden cost of bad systems. It's not just about money, it's about mental load, decision fatigue, and resentment. When your team is constantly firefighting because your systems are failing, it drains their energy and creativity. They're not just doing their jobs, they're compensating for broken processes. That's not sustainable. Now, let's shift to where automation truly shines. When systems are properly sequenced and integrated, they create a seamless flow of information and action. Imagine a world where your AI doesn't just answer emails, but prioritizes them based on customer value, urgency, and historical data. It's not just reactive, it's proactive. It's not just saving time, it's creating opportunities. But here's the kicker: to get there, you need to rethink how you approach AI. It's not a magic wand, it's decision architecture. It's about creating a structure where decisions are made consistently and efficiently without human bottlenecks. It's about freeing your team to focus on what truly matters, building relationships, strategizing, innovating. So, what happens if you ignore this for another year? Your competitors won't. They'll build systems that are agile, responsive, and intelligent. They'll capture the market share you're losing to inefficiency, and you'll find yourself on the wrong side of a widening gap, trying to catch up in a race you didn't even realize you were losing. Let's wrap this up with a call to action. It's time to stop treating AI and automation as optional upgrades and start treating them as essential infrastructure. Evaluate your systems, identify the gaps, integrate intelligently, and remember, the goal isn't to impress with tools, it's to empower with systems. Thank you for joining me today. Let's make systems thinking not just a priority, but a necessity. Until next time, keep questioning, keep optimizing, and keep building smarter.